You may remember we've brought you several stories about Hitson Cabinets. Now, customers claim they paid the company thousands of dollars and never received their custom cabinets.
Now, we've received a lot of questions from viewers wanting to know what's the next step in this case. When will we get our cabinets? How can we reach these people? We now know that Hitson Cabinets will be back in bankruptcy court again 1 week from today, next Thursday. Dallas Payton is here in the studio with a preview. Dallas?
David, Cindy, during the first court hearing in May, Gary Henson, his attorney, asked the judge to change the involuntary Chapter 7 bankruptcy filed against his company to a Chapter 11. The decision on that is expected to be made next week, and there is even potential for the company to be bought. Bankruptcy attorney Kimberly Cambrun is representing a few of Hitson Cabinets customers. She says since that first court date, several discussions and potential motions have been put on the table, but nothing is official.
Hitson has another company that is interested in buying it, and they're in also, in cabinetry, but not specifically just residential, but they do other things like larger businesses where they do cabinetry. So they are looking to sell it to this company.
Cameron says the interested company is also looking to step in where Hitson left off with their customers, but at an additional cost.
That is what they've proposed in that buy-sell agreement, is that the people who had paid in full or had paid a down payment like 50% and they didn't receive their product, that the buyer is proposed that they could complete that project for those customers, but those customers would need to pay an additional 30%.
Cameron now represents more than 10 of Hitson Cabinets customers. Many of them have already paid $30,000, $40,000, or $50,000 or even more and are not pleased with what could happen.
Coming from the position of the buyers, that company that wants to acquire everything, they still may be coming out with zero profit. They still may be losing a little bit, but right now the consumers are the ones that are pretty upset about this.
She says this is just the beginning of what's to come.
Ideally, we want a good resolution. We want something to go through, but we also want something that's going to be able to get these consumers, get the people at least some of their money back.
Again, Hitson Cabinets will be back in court on the 22nd. Hitson's attorney has been in court today and unable to comment on the potential motions. David?